Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We have got one amazing 1969 Camaro, nut and bolt restored. I mean, it looks like it just rolled off Jambs assembly line last night. It has a period correct 396, 375 horsepower engine with the factory aluminum heads. 4-speed transmission. It is incredible. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study all the pictures. You'll find price tags and monthly payments on every single car we have for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon so you're notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, buckle up, join me, let's go for a spin. Yeah, underneath this car, it's like a model car. It is so detailed, even has the assembly line markings put back on it, but the body was off the frame. Every component was removed from the bottom of the car, and it was completely restored and rebuilt as it was put back together. So all the components, the bushings, the ball joints, the steering parts, shocks, all of it's been replaced, and again, it's all detailed. The brake system is all new, disc brakes in front, the e-brake assembly, the brake lines, hoses, all of it's replaced. Correct factory type exhaust system looks new. You got the dual exhaust, goes into a transverse sideways muffler with the right tips going out. All new fuel system, the tank, the straps, the lines, the sending unit, it's all been replaced. You look up at the bottom of the motor, it's pristine, Chevy orange, the starter, the fuel pump, motor mounts, it all looks new. It does have a period correct Muncie 4-speed. I think it's an M20 4-speed that's in there. It does have a correct 12-bolt rear end in the back. So again, underneath, pristine. The floors are immaculate, all clean metal, painted a nice, neat satin black finish. The body, also amazing. This looks better than it did when it left the assembly line. I guarantee they weren't polished this nice. So we do have a cowl hood. Absolutely straight, not a ripple, not a dimple, fits nice and square. This paint is glass. I'm not seeing dust, I'm not seeing fish eyes, cracks. It's all pristine. All beautiful, the body, not a bubble. The gaps are spot on. It even feels slick to the touch. And it's a stripped down car. No wheel well moldings, no rain gutters, no fancy stripes. This is your stripped down version of the Camaro. They were interested in one thing, and that was going fast. No vinyl top, all nice smooth roof, no problem areas at all. I'm not seeing anything to apologize for on this body and paint. It does have the spoiler. Everything's painted slick, straight. Outstanding fit and finish. So the moldings we do have, the stainless moldings, the marker lights, the bumper, the tail lights, that's all new. All the glass is new. All the windows all the way around are replaced. You know, the chrome, the rubber, the window fuzzies, all of it's replaced. We have reproduction Good Year Polyglass tires. The rims are painted to match. Has the poverty hubcaps, the grille, headlight bezels, front spoiler, correct antenna. Outstanding. A+ for the exterior. Now, let's check out the interior and see what's under that hood. We have a beautiful trunk compartment, and it's complete. Wow, look at the paint under here. This is slick as can be. Got new stickers, new weather strip, but my compliments to the painter. Look at the rims. The rims are painted slick. The jack looks brand new. Got a reproduction matching tire. It's never been used on the ground. The whole trunk compartment is clean metal, very neatly spatter painted. and all the housings, wiring, all replaced. The mat, the back seat divider, pristine trunk compartment. This car really is exceptional. There's a lot of nice cars. I get a lot of nice cars. This is one of the best cars. Door jambs are painted real slick. Latches are rebuilt. New weather strips, sill plates. And it all fits real nice too. That's a big part of it. And the door panels, that's the easy part. You know, they make the door panels, armrest, window cranks. That's all new. The whole dash area is real nice. The dash pad, new steering wheel. Has the original radio. It works. The knobs, the vents, all of it's really nice shape. New glove box liner with the owner's manual and the pouch. New carpet. You got the Hurst shifter, looks new. Reproduction floor mats. Seats have new cushions. They're nice and firm. New upholstery. Back of the seat, real nice. Seat belts are excellent, probably reproduction. All the trim around the back window, headliners, mint, visors, the mirror is new. So the interior is pretty flawless. Now this is where it's special. 396, 375 horsepower, and I'm telling you, it's built as a 375 horse. It's sound. It has a distinct sound. I've been around enough of them to know, and it sounds right. And it has the factory aluminum heads, and it has the Winter's Foundry Snowflake. That's the GM marking. These are not aftermarket heads. Those are GM aluminum intake. See that same snowflake here on the intake is on the heads. So this is a 375 horse with aluminum heads. It has the deep groove pulleys because they're solid lifter engines. You can rev them higher. You don't want the belts flying off. But all the components, the exhaust manifolds, the valve covers, it is a cowl induction system. It's all hooked up. The fuel lines, the carburetor, distributor, it all looks correct. It has the correct dated spark plug wires, the ribbed heater hoses with the right clamps, Delco battery, actual battery, not just a topper, but the actual Delco battery with the spring clamp cables. It's got the horns. The wiring harness is new throughout the car. You know, the shroud, the washers are hooked up. Power brake system, all restored and new. Wiper motor, hinges are detailed. Has hood insulation. This is a really, really choice car. So this car is out of North Carolina, and the fellow that found it for me, I have people all over the country that help me find cars, and he knows what I look for. He's found many cars for me, and he even said, Jay, this one's really nice. Go the extra on this one. And I see why. When you look up in at the hinges, inside the front fender, it's beautiful. The little switch for the headlight or the interior lights is even new. I'm telling you, the finishes are amazing, and it's just one cool car. 375 horse, aluminum head, stripped down 69 Camaro. Very, very cool. So that's my impression. Go to volocars.com. Go there quick if you're interested. Camaros sell fast for us. But go to the website. Salesmen will help answer your questions. They'll help get this delivered to your driveway. They will help you with financing. It's all at volocars.com. I'm hoping you're enjoying the videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on that bell icon if you want to be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching. Now, do they get notified?